Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you all Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 13 and text number 5, that is Rishibhir Bahudha Gitam Chendobhir Vividai Prutak Brahma Sutra Padaschaiva Hetu Madbhir Vinischaya, which means the field of activities and the knower of the field of activities are described by many sages in various books, but in the Vedanta Sutras they are presented in reasoning and so as to cause and effect. Purport. It is said in the above text by the Supreme Personality of Godhead that Vedanta Sutras are especially good for the people who want to study about the field of activities, the material body, and the knower of the field of activities, which means the soul. Now, the who has written the Vedas, who is Vedavyasa, his father is also a very good sage. His name is Parashara Muni, and he told that I, we, and you, and the Supreme Personality of Godhead, we are all transcendental. But the thing is that we are transcendental inside a material body. But the Supreme Personality of Godhead is not the same. And we are divided into higher and lower because of the modes of material nature. There are three modes of material nature, and we will learn more about this in the upcoming chapters. So this is what is said by the Parashara Muni, and by this we can understand that we are also transcendental, but we are living in a material body. But it is not the same with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Also, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, there is an expansion of his which is known as Annamaya. So it means that dependence on food. So firstly, one should know about this, and then next he will know about Pranamaya. Now he will know about the Supreme Personality of Godhead in living emotions, like living conditions, and Gnanamaya. In Gnanamaya, the person will realize about the absolute truth or the Supreme Personality of Godhead in what he is willing to do, his thoughts, etc. And in Vijnanamaya, finally, that person will be completely different from his senses. He realizes that his senses are different from his material body. Actually, his soul is different from his material body and senses. And finally, Anandamaya. In Anandamaya, he finally realize about the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his blissful content completely. And this is about the different stages of a person who want to become Krishna conscious. Thank you.